Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most magical places here in South Florida, Butterfly World. If you're into nature, colors, peace, and tranquility, this is the spot for you. Let's go. Located in Coconut Creek, Florida, Butterfly World is the largest butterfly park in the world. It is home to over 20,000 live butterflies, making it a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. Right as you walk in, you're surrounded by butterflies everywhere, flying past you, landing on flowers, sometimes even on your shoulder if you get lucky. From monarchs to blue morphos, every corner reveals a new species. The variety of colors and patterns is absolutely stunning. The gardens are designed to give you a true rainforest feel. You'll see exotic plants, waterfalls, and of course, countless butterflies floating gracefully through the air. If you see the camera moving up and down, it's because the bridge moves in tandem with your walking steps. As you have seen and heard, it's not just butterflies. Butterfly World also has tropical birds. These lorikeets are super friendly and they'll come right up to you if you have nectar in hand. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel and adventure content, and drop a comment below. Would you like to visit Butterfly World someday?